Hi guys, welcome back to Namunadita channel. Chongqing, China 18 steps mean a traditional neighborhood built on hillsides. Located by Metro Station Jiaochangkou. If you want to know whether it's worth visiting or not, continue to watch this video. Here you can see many old-style Chinese buildings. Let's explore the 18 steps together. There are so many creative little shops inside the old buildings, and I swear my eyes are shopping. And the street food here smells so good, like my stomach started vlogging before me. It feels like I am walking inside an old Chinese drama scene. This place is such a special vibe. You will see beautiful traditional Chinese creations. Let's look at this little face. It's serious, too adorable to handle. You can also find many souvenir shops, cute handle, gifts, a lot of creative. So honestly, it feels like a small cultural market street too. Look at these, some shops are super cute, some are super creative.
So cute. I wanted to try China smell. This one is reaching already. GPS again, no? I tell you how we can.
Just watching, not sure what's it going on. Coding, confused, mood. Standing here like a professional observer. Taxi window, view city sunset vibes hitting different. Traffic, buildings and golden sky all argue for attractions.
Ooh, yeah, golden hour hits different. Taxi window view.
Sunset is
City
so nice,
sunset vibes hitting different. Traffic, buildings and golden sky all arguing for attention. But baby, your ego's way too loud. Yeah, trying to stand out from the crowd.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, because if you don't, I might have to climb 80 steps 180 times. Ha 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 ha. See you next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.